Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can mine mark with Ton. We have been able to mine mark with BNBs, we have been able to mine mark with USDT, with Solana. In today's tutorial, we're going to be mining with Ton. On previous tutorial, we talked about this update right here, where I showed you guys on how you can actually win about 99 USDT from mark by generating unlimited Telegram referrals. Now in today's tutorial, we're going to be going back to mining again. I'm going to be making a tutorial. Also, I'm going to be making my fourth withdrawal within this video as well. Throughout the week, we have been talking about mark. And right now we have another mark update. Also, the mining contest just ended and the winner was just recently announced, so make sure you guys check it as well. So right now, let's get into this update today. Let us start mining some mark, mining some crypto with Ton. Now to get into this, you need to get into the Mark app. Now if you need the link to the Mark app, just head over to Telegram and search for the username machine/official/boot. Also, that username is down in the description of this video. And then once you get into the boot, just like how I just got into the boot, you'll be welcome into your homepage. As you can see right here on my homepage, I have earned a lot from Mark. I've earned about 3 solid BNBs, and I earned my third BNB today, and I earned this BNB basically for mining. If you head over to the mining section and you click on this contest and you check the previous winner, you will see that I actually earned I was the winner of the recent contest that just ended. I won about 1 extra BNB from this particular contest. Yes, it was a tough contest because there was a lot of competition and a particular user just kept on increasing his miners. I had to always adjust to make sure I remain on the lead. I ended up getting about 1,000 miners just to make sure I win this particular contest. Now currently my daily earnings from mining mark is about 100 USDT. Now as I said, I'm going to show you on how you can start mining as well. Every single day I earn about 100 USDT because I have about 8,000 miners. Now I'm going to show you on how you can start mining mark every single day and withdrawing as well using Ton. As you can see right here on my wallet, I've earned so much from this particular platform compared to my video of last week and last 2 weeks. You'll notice that my earnings was a little bit low, but right now I've earned up to 3k. So every single day we keep on making videos, we keep on growing our earnings, and I will try my best to always update you guys. So right now, before we make a tutorial, let me quickly withdraw some earnings. Before I show you on how you can start mining with Ton, let me quickly withdraw some earnings from this particular platform. So now for me to withdraw earnings, the first thing you need to do is to set your wallet. My wallet is obviously set. Then you need to swap your mark to BNB. Now I have already covered this scenario on multiple videos. You know how to swap your mark to BNB. Simply hit the swap button, set the mark, and then swap it to BNB. And now you have done this, you are good to go. Now the next thing you need to do is to hit the withdraw button. Once you hit the withdraw button, you need to type in the amount of BNBs you want to withdraw. So right now, because I have lots of BNB, let's simply withdraw a little bit BNB. Now also take note, mark is a virtual airdrop. As I've said on multiple of my videos, this mark right here is virtual. There is no official cryptocurrency currently named mark. Now mark has not yet listed, but they give you the opportunity to withdraw by swapping your mark to BNBs, and the only place you can swap your mark is on the mark app itself. So right now I suggest you hold some mark. You can also from time to time also swap out your earnings, but I always suggest you hold your mark. You know, you keep them in store, you hold them securely so that you accumulate them, and when the mark eventually launches, you'll be, you know, withdrawing your mark for a higher price. Now that is it. However, for this tutorial, I'm just going to be making a sample withdrawal. Once again, it will be my fourth withdrawal. I've been making withdrawal from time to time. To be our fourth withdrawal on this particular platform. So right here, we're going to withdraw a little bit of BNB this time. We're going to go around maybe 0.015 BNB quickly, and we're going to hit the submit withdrawal button ASAP. Right now it tells me my current maximum withdrawal is 0.01 BNB, basically because my account is still new and I haven't used it for a long time. So I'm going to withdraw 0.01 BNB. I can always do it multiple times to withdraw a huge amount. So right now my withdrawal is being processed. So right here, guys, it tells me that my withdrawal has been submitted successfully. This is it, guys. I have successfully withdrawn from this platform. Again, this is my fourth withdrawal on this particular platform. As you can see from the notification right here, it just tells me that I've received about 0.01 BNB at this particular time, guys. So guys, get into this, start mining for yourself. It's machine/official/boot on Telegram. Now I'm going to show you on how you can even mine more using Ton coin. Now basically I've been mining with BNBs. Now I'm going to show you on how you can get started, but this time we're not going to be going with BNBs or going with USDT. We're going to be starting to mine with Ton, the native Ton coin on Telegram. Now to do that, head over to the mining section right here, and now you're on the mining section. The next thing you need to do is to click on the hire miners. Now we need to now select the amount of miners we want to hire. We already have about 1,000 miners, so I don't need to worry about getting so much miners. I'm going to say let us hire just $10 worth of miners, which will give us extra 6 miners. And now we're now going to hit the hire miners button. So right now we need to connect our Ton wallet. Already I have a Ton wallet already connected, but let me quickly disconnect it so I can reconnect it and show you guys how to get started. So now we're going to click on connect Ton. And now you're now going to select what Ton wallet do you want to collect. Do you want to connect to your native Ton wallet on Telegram, or maybe to your Ton Keeper, or maybe to your My Ton wallet on the Ton Hub? Now I'm going to be using Ton Keeper because I think I have some Tons within my Ton Keeper. So I'm going to select Ton Keeper. And right here it says connect to Mark Buddha's site. So I'm going to click on connect wallet. So right now I have connected my wallet successfully, and now I'm now going to click on use Ton Connect to send the payment, pay with Ton. So we're going to click right here, and we're going to now proceed. Now it's processing payment. So right now it opens a confirmation action. I just basically need to confirm this action right here, and I will receive my miners ASAP. So right now I have confirmed this transaction. The transaction is being set, my payment is being processed, and within a few seconds I think it should be completed. Right here I received about 6 new active miners, and right here these 6 miners are going to be mining for me about 0.45 USD. Now this is how you can start mining. This is how you can purchase miners. You can get miners using Ton and start mining for yourself consistently every single day. Right in this tutorial, I was able to make a withdrawal from the massive amount of profit I've accumulated on this particular miner, and I just showed you on how you can start mining via Ton. Now there are very other ways of you to mine. You can mine via Bitcoin, via Ethereum, via Solana, and much more many ways. So get into it right now. Get into Mac app. In order to get into Mac app, the link, the username is in the description. It is machine/officials/boot. Get into it and start mining with Ton today, guys. I'll see you guys on our next tutorial.